Should you still be bearish on Monero? Here's the thing. This white line that you're seeing on the screen is 21 moving average, the simplest moving average that exists. I drew it out for the very simple reason. It was our resistance until this point, and that was the 4th of July when we broke out of it. On this occurrence, we made support, validating a new uptrend that is coming, and it certainly did came. Here it also remained at support, and the price pushed higher and higher. In this area one more time served as a resistance until this occurrence. And this occurrence happened on the 18th of August. On this candle, things definitely changed because we are now below this moving average. This is a bearish narrative. As long as we are below it, you should remain bearish. This moving average is standing at $157 and our price is standing at 148, so we could move all the way to those regions and still remain bearish. Watch out for the occurrence like this. If we get resisted by this moving average, Monero could go much lower than today's price. Remember that. But if this wasn't enough for you, keep watching. I'm about to give you even more. Thank you for still being here. We are at 1-day chart of XMR versus dollar, so diving still into the Monero. As we are taking that short-term approach, one line should give us all the answers we need. I like simple stuff. Look at this. This was our upward trajectory that lasted many weeks. You can see points of support until the infamous breakout that we talked about on 18th of August. Now we are below that trend line. Uptrend is over. And this is your new narrative, new reality. As long as you don't see Monero breaking out of the shackles on this downward sloping trend line, you should remain in that bearish state. So until this arrow is fulfilled, you are bearish, cautious, whatever you want to call it, because you are a smart investor. But now I want to give you some lines that should be respected in the future, since we are downtrend and we are very likely to fulfill them on our down part trajectory. Listen, I used Fibonacci from the lowest point until the highest point in the last approximately 2 months, and this is the first level I want to talk about. Give you 0.5% retracement of $129, so almost 130. A big point of resistance at those times in the months of June, July. Now should be a clear support when we get to it. So approximately 130 is your level to the downside. To the upside, I don't want to discuss anything until we break that line that I gave you just a minute ago. Now, of course, there is 61.8% retracement with $121, but this is the line I want to emphasize, let's say, of 0.786% retracement as our last line of defense. It's standing at $110. Here it proven us a great support. I think it will be a good support in the future if we break those lines. And always in your mind think that we could go below one more time $100, retesting those lows that we made in June. But for now, let's talk in terms of $130 and $110. Remember them. And since you made it this far into the video, why not continue watching this video? Click here, and I hope I'll see you in that one.